Today, we're delving into the latest updates regarding Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra, and unfortunately, not all of it is promising. Recent leaks and insider information indicate that while Samsung is ramping up production early, the display technology on the S25 Ultra may disappoint some fans. Just last night, well-known leaker Roland Quant posted on X, formerly Twitter, revealing that Samsung suppliers have officially started production on parts for the Galaxy S25 series. This early start is exciting, especially considering that Samsung began producing components for the Galaxy S24 only in November last year. This head start has led to speculation that Samsung might be planning an early launch for the S25 lineup. However, the news isn't all positive. Multiple sources are providing conflicting information about the display specifications, which has raised concerns among enthusiasts. According to Insider Ice Universe, Samsung has indeed made improvements to the S25 Ultra's display compared to the S24 Ultra. Ice Universe claims that the new screen will feature better brightness, enhanced viewing angles, and improved color accuracy. These enhancements could be attributed to Samsung using the new M14 OLED material for the S25 Ultra display, which is expected to debut on Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 Pro models. The M14 panel represents Samsung's most advanced display technology, known for its exceptional brightness and extended lifespan, promising a superior viewing experience. On the flip side, display analyst Ross Young and tipster Jamis Reeve have a differing perspective. They assert that Samsung will continue using the older M13 material, which was also employed in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This choice may be driven by cost considerations, as the increasing complexity of smartphones, with advanced AI-driven capabilities, leads to higher production costs. By sticking with the M13 material, Samsung might be aiming to keep the S25 Ultra more affordable while not compromising on other high-end features. You may wonder about the key differences between the M13 and M14 materials. The M14 panel is superior in terms of brightness and light lifespan, making it a notable upgrade over M13. Generally, each generation of LED materials lasts about 2 years before being replaced, which is why Samsung may opt to stick with M13 for 1 more year with the S25 Ultra. According to South Korean outlet ET News, Samsung Display has begun accepting orders for screens for the S25 lineup. The screen sizes will remain relatively unchanged, with the base Galaxy S25 featuring a 6.16-inch display, the Plus model at 6.66 inches, and the S25 Ultra at 6.86 inches. While there aren't significant changes in display sizes, these dimensions have proven popular in previous generations. As we monitor the latest developments, we invite you to share your thoughts in the comments. Would you be disappointed if the S25 Ultra uses the M13 material, or is that not a deal breaker for you? Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the Galaxy S25 and other smartphone news. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next update.